southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Tillman County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Harmon County in southwestern Oklahoma, northwestern Wilbarger County in northern Texas, central Hardeman County in northern Texas, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:22 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northeast of Quanah, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Altus, Quanah, Tipton, Blair, Olustee, El Dorado, Manitou, Martha, Elmer, Hedrick, Friendship, Altus Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe
Why didn't this thing
thunderstorm
go off?
warning for South Central Jackson County in southwestern Oklahoma, western
I guess it wasn't
County
toned.
in southwestern Oklahoma, western Wichita County in northern Texas.
That's weird. This thing didn't go off.
Wilbarger County in northern Texas, southern Hardeman County in northern Texas until 10:50.
Okay, well that's another EAS capture. And I'm currently testing out a new camera. This camera. Anything can tell me how to pause it, because I know how to pause this Sanyo, but I don't know how to pause this one. If you could tell me how to do that, please let me know.